What if I told you that using a few drops of castor oil before bed could completely transform how your body feels when you wake up? From glowing skin to stronger hair and even surprising health benefits. Tonight, we're uncovering the amazing power of castor oil. Keep watching, because you'll never look at this simple oil the same way again. Love natural health tips? Then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated. We know that castor oil is a natural oil widely used in medical and cosmetic fields. But what exactly is it? Castor oil is obtained from the seeds of the plant Ricinus communis. Although the plant's native habitat is the tropical regions of Africa and India, it is cultivated in Brazil, China, African countries, and the southern regions of the United States. It thrives in warm climates with abundant sunlight. Its drought resistance contributes to this. The seeds of the plant contain a toxic substance called ricin, so raw seeds should never be consumed. However, during the oil production process, the ricin substance is removed through cold pressing, which is why cold-pressed oils are preferred. Those labeled 100% pure cold-pressed castor oil and hexane-free are the preferred choices. 1. For the skin. Let's start with its benefits for the skin. Castor oil is a natural moisturizer that hydrates, softens, and rejuvenates your skin. Many users notice that their skin looks smoother and firmer after just a few applications. There are two types of castor oil, and it can sometimes be confusing to know which one to use. There are two types of castor oil, black castor oil and light castor oil. Black castor oil. This is commonly known as Jamaican black castor oil. This oil is obtained by roasting the raw oil and contains a small amount of ash. Light castor oil, refined, cold-pressed, a pure, colorless or light yellow version, usually odorless and a gentler option for the skin. The main question is, which one should I use on my face? Black castor oil is thicker, stickier, and more fragrant, so it may cause pore blockage in some skin types, especially oily or acne-prone skin. Refined or cold-pressed castor oil, being purer and lighter, is generally safer for facial skin. The mineral and ash content in black castor oil is thought by some users to provide stronger moisturizing and hair, eyebrow strengthening effects. However, there is no definitive scientific evidence that black is better. It depends on skin type and tolerance. For sensitive or acne-prone skin, a lighter refined castor oil should be preferred. Castor oil. Some users have referred to it as natural Botox because it provides a feeling of elasticity and can reduce the appearance of fine lines. Applying a thin layer before bed moisturizes the skin while you sleep and prevents dryness, which may temporarily make wrinkles less noticeable. 2. For eyebrows and eyelashes. Castor oil is thick and sticky, so when applied in very small amounts around the eyes or at the base of the eyelashes before bedtime, it moisturizes the delicate skin around the eyes and the eyelashes. Some users have reported that castor oil thickens the eyelashes. However, take care not to get it in your eyes, as it may cause irritation. If you apply it directly with your fingers, castor oil may accidentally get into your eyes. To avoid this, you can apply it like mascara by dripping castor oil onto an unused, clean mascara applicator. Alternatively, a cotton swab from your home will also do the job. 3. For hair. The secret to Indian women's healthy and shiny hair is the traditional Indian oil treatment. Massage castor oil into your scalp before going to bed, and you may wake up with healthier and stronger hair over time. It stimulates blood circulation, nourishes the roots, and reduces breakage. The ricinoleic acid in its composition is thought to support hair growth by increasing blood circulation. If you apply it like a mask before bedtime, wrap your hair in a bonnet or towel to prevent it from staining your pillow while you sleep. In the morning, you can wash your hair with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. For joints and muscles. Thanks to the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil, massaging it into aching joints or tense muscles at night can relieve discomfort and provide deep relaxation. For example, if you feel pain and stiffness in your knee joint, wash your hands and ensure your knees are dry and clean. Take a small amount of castor oil, 1-2 teaspoons, and massage it into your knee joint using circular motions. After the massage, you can cover your knees with a thin cotton cloth or bandage to prevent the oil from staining the sheets while you sleep. In the morning, wash your knees with warm water or wipe them with a damp cloth. With regular use, mild stiffness and tension around the knees may decrease. But if you experience severe pain, swelling, or redness in the joint, consult your doctor first. 5. Nails and cuticles. Don't forget your nails. Applying a drop to each nail before bed strengthens them, moisturizes the cuticles, and prevents breakage. Nourishing oil can also nourish the nail roots, contributing to faster and stronger growth. Since you apply it before bed, the oil remains on your nails and cuticles throughout the night. 6. Bowel and digestive health. Castor oil is one of the most well-known natural oils for digestive and bowel health and has been used for a long time. While it is not recommended to drink it before bed, gently massaging it into the abdominal area can promote relaxation and reduce bloating. Castor oil stimulates the intestines thanks to the ricinoleic acid it contains and acts as a natural laxative by accelerating bowel movements. Some people use it for detoxification because it accelerates bowel movements. Of course, pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and those with chronic conditions should consult their doctor beforehand. 7. Naval ritual. Naval ritual. According to an old practice, if you lie down on your bed and drip a small amount of castor oil into your navel, it is said to aid digestion, reduce cramps, improve sleep, and nourish the body from within. Of course, this has not been scientifically proven, but in traditional natural medicine, it is believed that the navel is connected to many veins and nerve networks in our body. Therefore, it is said that applying castor oil to the navel through massage may have the following benefits: relieving digestion, reducing bloating, alleviating menstrual cramps, providing a more peaceful sleep. So whether it's for glowing skin, stronger hair, pain relief, or better sleep, castor oil has established itself as a powerful natural remedy. Apply it before bed and see what happens. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you in the next video.